We are back in the garage, everyone. Again, just quick little part two on coming back from the dealership, trying to save some money and do things ourselves if we can. This one's going to be another quick one here just for the air filter. This time it's going to be for the engine. Again, should be pretty similar for the this Tucson generation. I'll list out the details on the description below. But again, really straightforward. Nothing really complicated, no special tools needed. For the air filter, again, I think the dealership wanted somewhere like $70 to change it. The part is not very expensive at all. So really just go under here, pop the hood open this little lever, this little door, and here is the filter right in there. Now, the only thing to just really keep in mind is these little flaps. You gotta just make sure you flip them open like so. That'll unlock the filter and just slide it out. There it is. This one has been replaced recently, but again, there it is. Here in Arizona, it's incredibly dusty. I mean, you can see there's already little guys in there. So I replace this at least 6 months to a year, roughly. But that's really all there's to it. Just flip that little guy open, and again, to just put everything back together, slide this guy back in. Ta-da. Lock her up. Here for the audible click. And you are done. Save some money. See ya.